bottle of Irish whiskey for my birthday, and I've got the Spanish brandy I brought back with me. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to make some homemade Baileys. So I'm going to be powering my blender with my Bluetti EB70. So you're going to need a blender. I'm going to put in, so basically I'm going to use a can of condensed milk as my measuring cup. And so I will then put the condensed milk in the blender. Then I'm going to fill the condensed milk can with brandy. Then add that to the blender, condensed milk can with the whiskey, put that in the blender, and then I will put in some cream that I've got and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I don't have nutmeg, but I've got allspice. So I'm going to use my mortar and pestle that I got when I was visiting Jerusalem, and use that. And then I'm going to use a teaspoon of chocolate powder and a teaspoon of coffee to make my own Baileys, and then just around in that blender and fill a bottle. So I thought I'll probably have enough to make 2 bottles, so one for me and then one I'll give to the neighbors because they always help me. So the first thing I'm going to put in is a can of condensed milk. Put that into the blender. Doesn't matter if it doesn't all come out because you're going to add in the whiskey and the brandy. I'm now putting in this is 200 mils of cream. And you're wanting a nice, quite a thick cream. It's quite thick at the top there. Oops. There we go. Right, here's the cream. I'm now going to add in a teaspoon. Actually, I might do the dry ingredients first. So let's put in a teaspoon of instant coffee. Teaspoon of chocolate powder, vanilla extract, and so I'm going to fill this condensed milk can with whiskey. So you can see it's going to be quite a potent drink. Now I'm going to do the same with the brandy. You might be thinking, oh, isn't this a waste of brandy and whiskey? No, it's not, because what I'm creating, I think, is even far more delicious. Right. So I'm going to add that in. See, there's more of that condensed milk coming out now. Right. Let's get all of the goodness out. Okay, just grind up. The allspice. And I'm literally only going to be putting a pinch of this in. Like that. Right. Now, let's put the blender on. Okay, perfect. As easy as that. Now I can just decant it into a bottle. And honestly, that's how easy it is to make your own Baileys. Right, this one is for the neighbor. The next one is going to be for me. As with all things you make, it's always important to make sure, give it a little taste. So I've still got to go and feed the animals, so the taste is going to be just a little. Oh my goodness, this could be the real thing. It honestly tastes like I have Baileys right here in this glass. Phenomenal. Easiest recipe out.